Hi guys, and welcome to Fixsavers. Just a quick hack video for you showing you an easy way to install hooks. If you've got quite a beefy hook to install, as it gets further and further in, it can get really tight and tough on the hands. I've got a nice little tip for making this easy. So first of all, grab yourself an electric screwdriver. Then what you want to do is grab yourself an Allen key and fit the Allen key into the screwdriver. And then you can interlock your Allen key with your hook and slowly use the Allen key to spin your hook, and that will help you both tighten and loosen stubborn hooks. Hope that's been helpful for you. If it has guys, please give us a thumbs up, the like before you leave, and we'll see you again. Thanks guys.